A lot of liquor, TJ. As always.
It's my Christmas alcohol bear.
Alcohol bear?
I'll come and get that later.
Look at TJ being a big boy.
He's the biggest boy.
Is that my tax?
Yeah, my tax.
No, I'm saying it's in Sasha's cup. I cannot read Sasha's
Correct.
Yeah, it's Metax.
Watch this, one
No,
shot.
this cup is sticky.
One.
The 5-star is a different bottle.
Oh, okay.
It's different bottle.
Look.
Slow motion this.
Been drinking it all day.
Yeah, that's a new bottle, bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. One of my shoes fall apart.
Cheers, boys. What are you getting, poutine?
Yes.
What can I get for you?
Could I have one poutine, please?
Anything else?
One Whopper.
With cheese?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
And then one crispy chicken, please.
Just a sandwich roll?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
It will be 20 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you. Is that everything? Why is this so?
So as you can see, one of the crew members are back, or is back. Actually, my English is bad. And we're back to working on the Camry again. As you saw in the previous video, we did a little bit of lighting thing over there. So today, we're gonna be installing this. If you don't understand English, I'm sorry. I don't know.
First, we gotta put the O-rings on. Little adapters. Teflon tape them. Add them to this thing. And then we just gotta find a good mounting spot, basically. And yeah.
This is a kind of a filter. So the oil's gonna pass through this and filter through this, which is gonna be connected here, right there. As you can see, threading here. So
I believe that's the inside too, right?
yeah. So we're gonna start off with bits and pieces of it, and then move on.
How much Teflon tape should I add? Just like one twist or two? How much do you usually add of this stuff? Hello, anyone? I'm a mechanic now.
Just one quick 360 loop.
Let's see if this guy goes in there. So now we just gotta thread it through. I don't know if it is because of the end of the tape, but we will try our best.
Our best.
He does explain how to take that.
There you
It
go.
says F1.
Garage.
Raj.
Raj. We do like 2 spins. I did 1. I don't think it was enough. You have to keep it straight too, team. Just saying.
Look at my street.
Look at my straight.
Straight's a little bendy.
That's more than 2.
As long as it works.
Hopefully, from the looks of it. Not happy with it.
Not happy with it. There you go. Should be good
We'll
enough.
figure it
for us.
out once it leaks.
For fuck's sake.
Hold it for me. Just hold it.
This supports me. Jesus. Yeah, it's coming. Start good for the hose, please. Okay, so that goes into the in. Hold on, just clamps.
check what this is.
My knees hurt. Sitting in the car.
Where is it came from? One of the parts.
Well, there's extra.
Just so they can hear.
You should change your muffler so it's
Want me
too
to put on
loud.
the new one?
Huh?
Want me to put the new one on?
I don't care. It's this car is too loud. You might have problems here. I tell you that.
I'm a rock star with no bands, but I got band.
Look at my face in the back. Okay, so we did, guys, as you connected the PCV pipe to the inside, the outside, the intake manifold just down there, and we turned on the car, made sure there's no hissing noises or any air leaks and all that, so it's all hooked up and good.
More oil leaks.
Yeah, no oil leaks, no check engine lights, so we're good to go. We have it hooked up back on that firewall. There's a little edge sticking out. And yeah, that's done. I how he's wearing a mask.
That's me in fake life.
COVID safety.
This is simulation.
Okay, make sure there's nothing that's gonna pinch.
People wear masks at your own house, see? Oh, my bottle.
You'll see us again. Can you get away from here?
Okay, mask boy.
What? Something wrong?
He's so precious. You should feel so
Tell me now, bitch.